In this tutorial, I will show you how to create increases between rhombuses and generate a new one. In the previous rhombuses tutorial, I explained how important it is not to twist your side stitches. Work on your increase sample, crochet at least 2 or 3 sets of increases. After that, look at both sides and decide which one you prefer the most. If you like the one that is already on your right side, then you work on the pattern like it is. If you decided that you like the other side more, then you will have to change your side stitches. Color A at the front and color B at the back. And when you turn your work, that will be your right side and will be your wrong side. This is part 2 of my crochet jacket project. If you haven't seen part 1, you may not be able to understand this part. In this tutorial, I will use mostly US crochet terminology and may refer to UK terms. Okay. The next step, you will determine where we should work increases. For example, will be the increasing place. Work stitches as usual. You work double into next, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double into next, 1, again double at the back, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, pull the chain stitches. We work 2 double crochet into 1 stitch, 1 and 2. Next we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to work double into next stitch, 1, and double into the same stitch, 2. Next chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work double into the next 1 and 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double into next 1 and 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and at the front 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pull up a loop, and we're going to start with the color B. Pick up a loop, yarn over. Remember, we have to work 2 stitches into the same chain. The first stitch will have to be worked at the back, and the second stitch at the front. Yarn over, insert your hook from the back, 1 double, 1, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to work stitch at the front. Yarn over into next space at the front, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to work stitch at the back. Again, work stitch at the back into next space, 1, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the same space at the front. You can see we form our kind of V or triangle. Okay, next work single crochet US or double crochet UK into the next space. It will be our increasing place. 1, chain 1, and work single US or double UK into the same space. Another one. If you look here, you have to now in reverse. You have stitch at the front. You have to place stitch at the front here as well. 1, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work stitch from the back. Into next space at the back. Now you work stitches as usual when you practice your other example. The back, 1, 2, 3, at the front. The front next space, 1, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and at the back. And last stitch, the third chain, yeah, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, pull up a loop. Yeah. This is your one side, and this is your other side. Pick up color A loop, already pre-chain 6 chain stitches, and work double into next, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double into next, from the back into next, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double, you can see you have, again we work with sets of 2, 2, 3 chain stitches, 2, 3 chain stitches, 2, now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, insert your hook into one chain space and work 2 times double 1 and 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work into the next stitch 1 and next again 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, here we're working 1 and next one. I'm going to finish it 1, 2, 3 into next 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the last one, and chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pull up a loop. Okay. When you work your color A stitches, you always work them in sets of 2. You have 2, 3 chain stitches between, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and so on. And obviously you have your side stitches on the side, 1 stitch on each side. And this will be, this is the way it looks on this side, but if you look here, it looks a little bit different. To start next, pick up your color B. Once again, you have your full motif here, means you have to work first stitch at the back. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to work double at the front. Yarn over into next space at the front. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work stitch at the back. at the back, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and at the front. Okay, we arrived to our increase. Next yarn over into the single US or WK stitch and work stitch at the front. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook from the back. Once again, you can see we form the triangle. Now you have your stitch at the back. We're going to work next stitch at the back into next single US or WK, WS or treble UK, chain 3, and now we're going to work into the same stitch but at the front, 1 double. Next, work 1 double at the front into next space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work stitch at the back into the same space, 1, move to next space at the back, 1, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the same space but it's the front, into next space at the front, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, at the back, yarn over and into 1, 2, 3 at the front, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, again this one side, this is your second side. And next you just continue repeating. You will have to work your color A stitches in sets of 2. You work your side stitch first, after 2, chain 3, 2, chain 3, 2, chain 3. You have your 2 at the front and 2 at the back. And yeah, you work always in sets of 2. Work color B stitches similar to other color B rows. When you need to complete the motif, you will work double crochet stitches at the front, and when the motif halfway through, you will work double crochet stitches at the back. US terms and UK terms, when you need to complete the motif, you will work treble crochet stitches at the front, and when the motif is halfway through, you will work treble crochet stitches at the back. This tutorial has came to an end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified about my new video.